Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful Yaki U-part wig. Before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install and blend this Yaki hair with my natural 4C hair. And this Yaki hair is from RPG hair. As you guys can see, the hair is so thick. The density of this hair is crazy. For a U-part wig, there's a lot of hair here, right here, and it fits perfectly with our 4C natural hair. Like, it blends so well. So I had to straighten this part of the hair to be able to help it blend very well with the Yaki hair, and it's so beautiful. The great thing about this wig is the fact that you can style it so many different ways, and it's just the natural look it gives is something that I really love. So guys, if you want to see how I was able to blend this my natural hair with this Yaki hair, we're gonna get right into the video. But don't forget, everything that has to do with this beautiful U-part wig is gonna be linked in the description box below. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna show you guys what the packaging looks like. It came in through FedEx, and these are the things I have in the package. So this is what the wig looks like, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. You guys know that the density of this wig is something else. It's very full, very full for a U-part wig. So before I install the wig, I'm going to cornrow my hair, but I brought out a little portion in front. So now I'm done with my cornrow. I'm gonna spray some water on my edges and then just lay it with my jam. So after laying my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf on it and let it to sit for like 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna take out the scarf. And then I'm gonna cut the spare lace they have in front of the U-part wig before I install it. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and install the U-part wig. There's a comb in front of it, as you guys can see, so I'm gonna attach it on my hair. And also there's a band at the back of the wig, so I'm gonna clip it on to make the wig very secure. So I just decided to like use my hair straightener to straighten the top part of the hair a little bit. And at this point I decided not to continue because I don't want to lose the texture of the hair. So I'm going to apply my heat protectant. I'm also going to apply it on my natural hair. As you guys can see, the texture of this hair looks so well like our natural hair. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to split my hair into two. Okay, before doing that, I'm going to apply my hair cream on my hair and then apply my heat protectant as well, and then I'm going to straighten it. So after straightening the hair, I'm just going to blend it with the wig. You guys can see it fits perfectly well. Like, it actually looks like my natural hair, you know. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So you guys can see that this blends perfectly with our natural hair. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm going to do some other beautiful styles with this hair. You know, you can style this hair so many beautiful ways. And yes guys, that is what it's going to be. This hair is absolutely beautiful. I love the way it turned out. I'm going to link everything that has to do with the hair in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.